Welcome to Take Back for Tomorrow, all about the new Consumer Electronics Incentivized Recycling Program. Please welcome to the stage Andrea Murphy, Director of Environmental Affairs and Sustainability. Dustin Krause is the Senior Developer at Global Strategic Accounts for Redwood Materials. Walter Taffarello, Director of Merchandising for Appliances in the U.S. Take it away, guys.
Thank you, Dustin. Thank you, Andrea, for being here. As the first step, let's introduce ourselves, and I'm going to start. So I'm Walter Taffarello. I'm the Director of Merchandising for PCEC. So I'm in charge of appliances and beauty products. So that's why you see some shavers here. What about you, Dustin?
Well, hello. I work at Redwood Materials. My responsibility for the longest time was actually around automotive, but now has expanded to all of our sourcing here. And so really excited to be working with Panasonic now in multiple dimensions. My background mostly has been in automotive for most of my career, in specifically electric vehicles. So really excited for everything that we're working on and you really tell everyone about it.
Thank you, Walter. It's been really great being in the environmental department and working with your team to add sustainable features to these products. My team is responsible for ensuring that all of our products are compliant with environmental laws and regulations, and we assist the products in reaching our sustainability goals. And this includes things like reducing chemicals from our products, making sure our end-of-life products are recycled appropriately, and also reducing our carbon emissions.
All right, so thank you. So today I want to introduce Panasonic Multi-Shape, and I'm going to stand up to show you what it is. So if you go to Panasonic.multishape.com, and you order a Multi-Shape, you're going to receive this box. This box, as you can see, is completely eco-friendly. Even the pouch that you receive is made of recycled material. So everything in here is beautiful and eco-friendly, but the product itself, Multi-Shape, is really innovative. So there is one body, one charger, and multiple heads. So for example, you can snap on the shaver, or you have a nose trimmer, or a trimmer, or toothbrush. This is the perfect product because, especially for all of us that are here traveling for CES, you don't need to carry multiple bodies. You have only one body, one charger, and multiple heads. So if you go to PanasonicMultishape.com, you can customize your kit and you can decide which attachment you want to buy. And it's available now. At CES, we have also a limited edition with a couple of unit samples from Molton Brown. So available now, PanasonicMultishape.com. The other thing I want to tell you is that we are taking this eco-friendly product to the next level with the Take Back program, announcing today at CES. If you go again to PanasonicMultishape.com, there is a page that we invite everybody to buy a Multi-Shape. And if you have, and I'm pretty sure that all of us men have some old trimmers, shavers, no matter what brand you have, it can be not a Panasonic shaver. If you send it back to us, we're gonna give you a label. So we pay for the shipment. We gave you a coupon code for a discount code for 30% off. So we are taking the products back. We're gonna recycle for you. So you only had to basically put your old trimmer, shaver that you have probably sitting in your drawers for 2 years, just ship it back to us, you get money back, and you have a brand new multi-system that actually is the future of shaving. But the question is, when we're receiving all the shavers back, what do we do, Dustin?
So what we're going to be working on together is those old shavers that are sent back. Those are going to be recycled, and the battery materials that are in those shavers can actually be taken through the Redwood process and put into batteries that Panasonic is making to put in electric vehicles. So this is really around the core of a product like this. When you look at this product, you can see that this is normally something that would be 4 or 5 products you'd have in your drawer. Now it's just one. Not only that, Panasonic is now taking the old product that you have in your drawer somewhere and recycling that and making sure it gets into an electric vehicle down the road. So this is really around the core of what Panasonic has always been about, sustainability and also great products and great technology.
That was a great intro, Dustin, to what I do in environmental affairs, because we've been making sustainable products for over 100 years. But with the growing concern of the climate crisis, we realize more has to be done. And this product is helping us do that. We are trying to reduce carbon emissions. We have our Green Impact Plan, and I invite you to go around to the booth and read all about it. And we are hoping to reduce 300 metric tons of carbon emissions. And these advances, and with your recycling help at Redwood, we'll be meeting those goals.
Dustin, you mentioned this is just the beginning. You are absolutely right. So as part of the consumer group, we have so many other categories. We have phones, we have microwaves. So hopefully this is just step number one, and we want to see the reaction of the people. But if you look at other markets like the European market, the Japanese market, there is a more sensitivity about recycling. And so we want to bring it here, and as you said, Panasonic wants to be the first company to actually implement this one for consumer products, and this is the beginning with multi-shape.
Absolutely, and you can see it everything from the packaging to the product and into the way that we're actually handling the entire program, from actually incentivizing customers to do the right thing. And I think what Panasonic sees is by doing the right thing, it's good business as well. And the same thing is seen with Redwood in what we're doing together. Certainly on all the different product lines that we work on, everything from recycling these to producing new battery materials to put in your products that are going to eventually end up in electric vehicles and maybe other products at some point. So this, like you said, is just the beginning. And I think we're going to see, when we're here, you walk through the halls of CES, everything that you see about has a lithium-ion battery in it. So the problem is here today, and there is a solution, and Redwood is very excited to be part of that solution.
So Walter, I want to share with you some of the numbers. By having that modular design, we save 60% of the natural resources and materials that go into the conventional style shaver. So that's 60%, right? That's a pretty big deal. And by doing that, we're expecting to save over 2,100 tons per year and reduce the raw earth metals by over 45 tons per year.
Add something else, or I would like just to invite the audience to visit the booth behind the Lumix bar. There is like all the samples for multi-shape, and if you scan your barcode there, the QR code, you can actually have a chance to win a product. So why don't you go there and test it and touch it with your hands?
Absolutely.
All right, thank you guys, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.